Okay, so hi everyone. Good evening, all of you, and
Good
today,
evening, sir. Good evening to
Good
all
evening,
of
sir.
evening,
you.
good
Good,
evening,
good evening, sir, and good evening to all.
good evening, good evening. Okay, so let me start
Good
today's
evening.
session. Today we are discuss about very important topic. Very well. Everyone have a good idea, and everyone why come here, because everyone want to improve our English skill, as well as everybody want to also our communication skills. So definitely here we will discuss about today. I know very well, and everybody know very well. I think. All persons, when everybody get in sometime we will talk about some individual topic, and sometime we will discuss about some random type conversation. Definitely all persons they can speak very well, and they can understand all kind ness. So definitely it's a very good thing. So here we need, I think, all persons they are going very well, and they means they are improving day by day whatever we need, okay, according our potential, according our means demand. So definitely it's a very good thing, but we need, because because we are going second level. Why? Because when anyone, when I means we will talk about it some individual topic, when we will watch any video, public means public speaker, and other thing also. Definitely all persons they can understand normally. So here we must, why? Because if you want to do something, so definitely we have to innovate. Why? Because without means without improving, I think you can means achieve something. But if you think about it, we are living in 21st century. So definitely day by day our surrounding means came and lots of technology and lots of different types of device. So definitely we must need ourselves also. We have to innovate. Why? Because I think if you means if you you will go means with the timer. Definitely we have to innovate according timely. So definitely same thinking also here I apply. Why? Because I think we are means learning day by day about our about our means potential. And I think if you do same work, if you think about it same way, and you will get same result. It's true. So in this way I think we do same work, but we do same work with means smartness, towards your goal. Definitely you will get very tremendous result. So in this way means I have also little bit experience about how to improve our English speaking level. Definitely it's when we talk about it initially time, definitely each every person face lots of problem. I was also facing lots of problem, but I never gave up. And I was thinking every day how to improve my English speaking level, what I should do in previous time. I'm talking about it in previous time. Definitely. And initially time I was facing lots of problem, but I never gave up. And second thing, I'm also innovate day by day. When I will I have a complete 1 month, and after that I was thinking, yeah, what I should do next month. And after the, because I know very well, English not domestic language. English is international language, and English is commercial, as well as you can say means business language also. So definitely in this way we have to learn more. Why? Because I think if you do practice, and with a domestic material, and like with colleagues, so definitely in this way also you can improve our English language. But when you think about it a different way, a different way means suppose some student also here they are pursuing in engineering there, and some like Jitan also, he is working in private sector in means a very good company. So definitely Jitan know very well. I think if you means learn means a little bit, and after that you can speak and you can understand. But if you want to promotion, if you want to means earn more money, and if you want to do different type work also, definitely firstly you have to innovate, and you have to hard work with smartness. So same thing means here I'm also mention one thing here. I think if you have an idea, so please you can do this type practice. But otherwise you don't have an idea, so please you can this watch this video, and after that you will implement in our daily practice. Definitely you will also get very tremendous results. So in this way, I whatever I do in previous time and whatever I was observing, during this journey, definitely means I do three means habits follow every day. Means three habits. First habits, I think if you want to improve our English language, so you have to listen every day. It's your choice. Why? Because if BBC also BBC is relative our business business account, and second I think BBC is part of a news also. And second thing, I think if you want to improve our English speaking level, so definitely I think you can listen also podcast also. Podcast also very effective and very means normal. So in this way, I'm also used to this type thing definitely, and I improve lots of good thing. And second thing, I think if you think about it, yeah, I'm talking about it here. Initially time, means some students they think about it. Yeah, I want to learn English language, and how means what I should do, and after that I can speak and I can understand. So definitely, I think firstly you think about it. You think about it like how to practice with domestic material. Domestic material means suppose you are beginner. So I think you think about it. Yeah, you tell me about means yourself. What is your hobby? And where are you? And what you want to become in this type thing. Everybody have this type thing, and these are means think also very normal. I think you about it and you can try. And it's not possible you think about it. Means when I thinking, and after that you think about it only you have a complete 1 month 2 month, and sorry, yeah, 1 month, and after that you think about it. Yeah, means why I cannot speak it. So it's not possible. Initially time you have to finish and you have to do more work, and you will take time 3 months and 4 months, and after that means you do continuously this type of practice. Definitely one day you will get very tremendous result. Okay, two thing and three thing here I would like to mention. I think everybody know about English international language. So in this way, when we discuss about with domestic material and my native speaker, so definitely it's also very good thing. But if you think about it, when you want to improve our business, suppose some businessmen also and some like an entrepreneurial person also, definitely in this way you have to need little bit different types vocab. So I think I'm not talking about it. You will preparing every day 5 10 word. It's not fair. You choose one day only one word. One day one word. It's sufficient. But here I would like mention very important and very effective thing. You choose one word every day, and after that you remember, and after that you return. You can return in this book, and after that. But one thing you should do very strictly. Why? Because each every person have a dictionary and other thing also, and each every person also have a lots of vocab. But why mostly persons they face a problem in this way? Why? Because they forget means while speaking, while whenever they will get chance for speaking, that time they forget. Why? Because I think if you do not revise, if you do not like visualize, okay, visualize, definitely you anyone, I'm not talking about it any particular person, definitely I know very well, or any person they forget sometime after. So I think in you have to improve our means English language. Definitely you should do this type practice 100%, and you will complete 4 5 months, and after that you will get very tremendous result. So that's it my side, and I know very well because here every person have a good idea, and every person's have a very means a tremendous thing. So I give up chance Jitendra. Jitendra, please unmute yourself, and whatever you have the idea, so please you can also share with us. Yeah, Jitendra.
Yeah, good evening, everyone, and very well said, Ravind sir. Whatever the experience you share with all of us, it is tremendous and marvelous, and it is true. And if you want to catch the platform to English speaking, you have to maintain yourself. You have to prepare yourself. So, as Ravind sir share their all experience, I also include some few things. I know that most of the member of our group are able to speak English, so it is enough for the basic side. And for the basic, we should have a little bit knowledge regarding the grammar, like tenses and modals and articles and conjunction. These are the basics level syllabus. So as a basic syllabus we have finished. So coming into the advanced level, we also have a such kind of advanced thing, because there are a three level for the English speaking. Number one is basic, second one is advanced, and third one is standard. So in the basic, you can speak any topic. I think every member can speak like a small topic, as Ravindra sir said. You know yourself, you know about your religion, about your class, and about your country, and this kind of a small topic. So everyone can speak. Otherwise, the person who is a learner, so it will be helpful for him also. Try to make a small topic like a home, a park, my college, my school, water pollution, mist pollution. You can take, and after completion of this kind of a small topic, you can catch the advanced level. For the advanced level, means today we are discussing that there are four thing is mandatory. Number one thing is your basic means grammar. It is the mandatory, but in advance you have a make a good command on like a do as directed sentences. You have to include in your speaking like a proverb, use of proverb, because it gives you a kind of means different kind of magnificent in your speaking. And third thing is that you have to means making the eye contact, like using the gesture and open your video, and while watching the pupil, how is your confidence. You have to gain that confidence to while speaking. So these are the means advanced level. And for the standard level, as Ravindra sir said that on the TEDx, on the podcast, you can watch the online video that how the English speaker is speaking in front of the podium. So your body language, your eye contact, your gesture, and the data you have, it must be compulsory, because for the standard level, whatever you are going to speak, you must have a particular knowledge regarding the particular subject, whether it is related to the globalization kind of a standard subject, whether it is related to the means intoxication, addiction of the drugs, and whether it is related to the means environment and another kind of a standard topic. So these are the channel you have to follow it. Otherwise, everyone are doing very well for the as a basic level. But the person who are the learner, they can also get the good track, and they will speak very well. So this is from my side, Ravindra sir. Next, over to you.
Thank you, Jitan. Really, you also spoke very well, and you also mentioned very remarkable point. Definitely, I 100% after watching video, everybody having this type of problem, we will overcome. Okay, so that's good. And now, Kusu, would you like to say something about this topic? Kusu, unmute yourself. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Whatever you like, you have a okay. You will speak only 1 minute. It's sufficient, but you will speak. Okay.
Okay, sir. Firstly, good evening to everybody. Today, I am going to speak about how to improve learning English and speaking level. So, speaking level, if we want to improve our speaking, then we can means it is a very simple word like a practice. We must practice a lot, and we create we create a sentence and topics by on your words, and if you really want to improve and know how to speak English fluently, then you can try more and more, and you give your best 100%. And in my point of view, we always read books and talk with means other persons, because if we talk with a different person per day, and means after 2 days after, then your speaking level is also progressing, because in front of you there is a different person and you don't know who is he. Then you always give your 100% while speaking and talking with them, so it is good. And while speaking, always we remember it, means don't need to hesitate and don't need to worry about your sentence, your vocab. And so you also give your 100% about your vocab and your sentences, then you in future absolutely you are a good speaker. And other thing is that we always watch videos also, means in YouTube, you on YouTube you also watch many videos related to speaking, related to, and because if you want to listen and watching video, then your thinking level and your listening power is also progressing. So because of these things, we also want to always want to improve our speaking and our listening power. So that's all, sir.
That's
Thank you.
great. That's great. Because you also mentioned very remarkable and very effective point. Authentic, really. It's awesome. Okay, now Rajesh, would you like to say something? Rajesh, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, start.
Yeah. First of all, good evening to all.
Good evening.
Reason is that how means question is how to improve our English communication. Really, sir, if you have desire to speak English, first of all, always going in your mind means how to improve English, and you will have to always watch related to English speaking. And just now you are talking about English is very international language, means if you go out of state, then you need to communicate with that person in English. Means at that time, if you have no English, then you will have to become means you like animals, means you'll have to show means hands like that. But suppose that you'll have to purchase something, then you'll have to show only. And here I want to say you that if you have knowledge of English, means it is said that means parents